Hello my friends, it is time for another drinks episode, and today we will be reviewing the Cosori Personal Blender. You can use this blender to make your healthy smoothies and meal replacement shakes, but we are not doing that today because we are making my favorite coconut Margarita. If you remember not too long ago, I reviewed the Cosori pressure cooker, which I am using a lot of, and there are more videos to come using that device as well. Well, this is their personal blender, and it comes with a complete set to get you all set up for making all of your favorite beverages and sauces. So here we have the blender base itself, and it does come with an 800 watt motor, so it is powerful enough to handle crushing through ice and anything that is frozen, like frozen fruits and vegetables, so there's no concern about burning the motor out. It also includes two 24-ounce containers, and this one has a travel lid on it, and the other one has your blender base on it. And it also comes with a 12-ounce container, and this has the storage lid on it. And I think we're going to go ahead and use the 12-ounce container today. That should be good enough for what we are doing. It also is heat resistant of up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't want to use boiling hot liquids in here, but it does come pretty close at 200 degrees. And of course, these are all dishwasher safe. Of course, you don't want to put the base in the dishwasher, but all of your containers and lids are dishwasher safe. It also comes with a nice cleaning brush, nice and easy, and of course the instruction manual, as well as a recipe book that has some nice smoothie recipes and some sauces as well. So let's go ahead and get into this and check it out with making the margarita. We're going to start off with about a handful of ice. I can't really tell you how much that is. I guess that's about a cup, but you just want to eyeball it and give it enough ice in order to blend smoothly. Next, you want to add 2 ounces or 1/4 of a cup of coconut cream. Make sure you're including the fat in that cream. You don't just want that liquid that separates. So if you are using it from a can, make sure you give it a good shake to incorporate all of the ingredients of the coconut cream. Next, you want to add 2 ounces or 1/4 of a cup of tequila. You can use whatever you have on hand. Today, I am just using this Jose Cuervo Especial, but again, use whatever you have on hand, 1800 or whatever. And we are going to add to that 1 ounce or 1/8 of a cup of lime juice. And that is all there is to it. So all you have to remember is 2, 2, 1. So that is 2 ounces of coconut cream, 2 ounces of tequila, and 1 ounce of lime juice, and that will get you 1 coconut margarita. So all that we have to do at this point is we are going to add the blender lid, and we're going to make sure that's nice and secure so that nothing spills. So I'm just going to give it a test and turn it over, making sure we have no leaks, and we don't. So all that we are going to do now, and let me just pull you back. Hold on a sec. Okay, so I'm just giving the ingredients a quick shake to make sure that nothing is caught under the ice. Turning it over, and I don't know if you can see it, but there are some grooves here, so we just want to make sure that the cup lines up with the grooves, and then we're going to turn it clockwise, and we heard that audible beep, which I love devices that give us a beep to let us know that we're doing it right. So here we have the start button, we have the auto blend button, and the pulse button. So I'm going to try the auto blend, and we will see if this gets it nice and delicious for us. So let's go. And now we're gonna hit stop. All right, so just give that a twist and we pull it up. And let's check it out. Oh, that is wonderful. So look at that. We have that nice frozen coconut margarita, just how I like it. And one thing I liked about the blender is, if you noticed, it will start and stop automatically to let everything settle when you use the auto blend. So that is wonderful because you don't even have to touch the device. You just let it do its thing until you hear that everything is nice and blended, and then we're good to go. So there you have it, guys, a coconut margarita, my favorite margarita, made with the Cosori personal blender. I will have a link in the description box below that will give you a 15% discount on this blender. And that discount is good until April 15th, so make sure you act quickly. That's it for today's drinks episode. If you like these episodes, please give me a like below, and of course leave a comment and tell me what you think. Enjoy!